New unemployment numbers show millions of Americans filing unemployment claims. Tens of thousands of those South Carolina and Charleston counties saw more of those claims than almost any other county in the state. News 2's Danielle Hensley spoke with locals who are now part of those unemployed due to COVID-19 shutdowns. Danielle.
Sophia, the jobs most affected by the closures are the one in hospitality, so people working for restaurants, hotels, or cruise lines. These jobs also heavily rely on tips. Professor of Hospitality and Tourism Management at College of Charleston, Dr. Wayne Smith, said tourism is an $8 billion industry in Charleston. The greater Charleston area is expected to lose $500 million in the next 4 weeks.
You're taking the two busiest months of the year. Imagine any business, if you took their two busiest months of the year and took them away, how well the businesses would survive.
There are currently 50,000 people employed in hospitality tourism in the Charleston area, 36,000 of which are employed in the restaurant industry in the Tri-County area alone. Hotel occupancy is down to 29% compared to 84% this time last year.
Before, to hire people, it was really difficult. Now, is it going to be even more difficult to hire post-event?
Michael Dulac worked as a bar back at Rooftop before being let go 2 weeks ago. Since, he has been unable to find any other work.
There are hundreds and thousands of people applying to the same job, so it's very competitive out there. And with the coronavirus now, it makes it even harder because a lot of employees are working from home. So they're not doing interviews and stuff like that.
Dulac says he has had to suspend his student loan and car payments.
So I live with my girlfriend, but right now, I think we did the math. It's going to be about a month and a half, maybe max, until I have to reach out to my family and see if anybody can help me and stuff like that without work.
Prices are not expected to increase when things return to normal. Experts say businesses may offer package deals to attract tourism. Reporting in downtown Charleston, Danielle Hensley, Count on 2.